Repeat. Loading. Okay. This is the main fault of the on primer diesel leak system. Check with the hand priming removal system. Hand priming valve opening. Second one, remove the clip. That is one of the circlip and internal lock clip, stopper clip. And remove with the plunger. And next, this is the main part. This is plunger. And the next one is the back side of the main banjo bolt. Remove this. Removed, and every items are checked. What is the major fault of the hand priming pump? One is the main item. This is a piston support with a plunger. This is around the outer side are weird or scratched or damaged. Or another is plunger or a sealed ring. This is the needle support with the pull or pushed with the hand priming system. The internal one part with the seal that is faulty and weird is too much. That is the main problem of the leak. Okay guys, thank you for watching.